We're back. Okay, so grinding and polishing. So let's cut the chit chat, get right into it. I'll be using my angle grinder with a 60 grit flat disc. Here we go. So the angle grinder is a very handy tool and very versatile. You can do a lot with it. But when you get into fluting in very difficult shapes like this, there are hard to reach places that you simply can't get to with that. So in that case, I pull out my trusty bench file or power file, and that allows me to get into much tighter spots. So I'm just going to use that. Okay, so I've now ground everything using the angle grinder with the 60 grit. You can do quite a bit of sculpting with that. I've spent many years using this, and you can get quite a bit of dexterity and finesse with it. And you'll notice I'm holding it like that, and you might, if you're trying it yourself, find that that is very fatiguing on the forearm because to hold that up there and to do that fine work. My advice to you would be to man up. Develop some forearm strength. You need that. I got a student here visiting, Tony, and when Tony started out and first came to me, he was 97 pounds. He had the upper body strength of a little girl. So I got him on a workout regime, and now look at the forearms on him. He can hold this angle grinder all day long. So that's what you need to do. Otherwise, maybe try another hobby like, I don't know, crossword puzzles or macrame or something like that. Anyway, let's get back to it. Thanks, Tony. We're gonna go in the other room now and polish up to a finer finish on all these pieces. Okay, so I'm in the home stretch of the polishing, got a little bit more to do here, but I've got a customer waiting. My cameraman has to get home to his babies, so the real world beckons us. So come back, join us next time. We are going to, I think I've decided I'm going to gun blue this. I put a nice patina on it. That way I can pull out some highlights. I think it would be a cool finish. So in the meantime, subscribe to the channel, like us, all that stuff. We will see you next week. Back out.